Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use a Wi-Fi or mobile data to check for the updates, but if in your case the update is available, I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi because the files of the update are quite large and it may cost you a lot of money if you're using mobile data. So after that, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now at the very top we've got the software update option, and as you can see your device will right now check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios, and this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course you can tap on check for updates if you're not really sure. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.